I think you got to come a little bit more to the left. I think you have to try to come backwards a little bit and walk the whole truck to the left. There you go. Now go back hard left. Your rear left wheel just keeps walking out from underneath the truck. I think you're gonna have to come farther left and not climb that wall as much. No, not this is slighter than that one there, and that one you're putting your right tire in, and it's stopping, and your left tire wants to walk and kick you up. So you're gonna, once you start climbing, you're gonna want to go right and pitch your front left tire around this wall here, and then brake all the way to the left. So you're still too far right now. Yeah, well, once you start getting your front left up, then you pivot around that wall.
Now.
Yeah, go right. There you go. Now go left. There you go. Let me see your, I think your right rear is catching on that rock down there. Don't go anywhere. Yeah, you gotta seat yourself a little bit more left because you're in a concave here, which is letting your left rear tire walk forward and this one not go anywhere.
What do you think? Right. Oh, that bump?
Yeah, I guess.
Right. Oh, that bump?
Yeah, I guess.